Guys, bros, welcome to the video, welcome to my channel. It's the everlasting struggle, that's my caddy here, so. Oh guys, that exhaust, man, that sound, it's so quiet. It's driving me nuts. That's it, it's driving me nuts. I'm not sure if you can hear it in the video, but how loud my voice is compared to the exhaust, it's amazing. So I'm gonna try something first. So yeah guys, let's go. Bros, I took out all the forbidden cotton candy. Told myself I wouldn't spend more than 30 minutes on it, so this is it. I couldn't reach all the way back there because it's a super weird design. Because this pipe has is triple, you know. Comes in here, makes a bend, goes back again, makes a bend again, and then goes to the exit. It's crazy, guys. This is all I took out. To be honest, wear a respirator, guys, because this stuff is bad for you guys. So, yeah, guys, hopefully it sounds good. Let's go. I'm going to test it out. Hopefully it sounds good. Yeah guys, the camera is in the exact position it was before, so I'll show you before and after. So here comes before. Oh, it's so quiet. And this is after. It's not that loud, but it has a cool gargle to it, you know? Happy with the sound, 10 times better. Now I'm going to be playing around with the tips, trying to figure something out here to make it look good. So let's go, guys. Yeah, bros, this exhaust, I'm really happy about it, guys. It looks cool, sounds good. Really curious what it sounds like when I'm driving, because when the engine gets loaded, it maybe sounds a little bit different, but we'll get there. I want to paint the exhaust. I have some heat paint and make it look good. And before I can mount it permanently, I want to treat the bottom of the car with for rust, because there's some surface rust over there. Also this rust, I bought Rustbuster, guys. I have no experience with this stuff, but hopefully it works good. It looks good online, so I'm going to try it out, guys. Hopefully works out, so let's go. That Rustbuster Ranex stuff is just amazing. All the rust is gone. It's just, it's just gone. Crazy. You have to be really careful for that stuff because it burns your skin. It's really chemical stuff, guys. So protect yourself. Over there, that rust is a little bit heavier. They say put on a coat and let it dry for 24 hours, so that's what I'm doing. These brackets for the exhaust came out perfect, so really happy. Guys, let's go. saw, the bottom of the car came out absolutely amazing. Everything one color always looks good, so but the rust is treated. I'm happy. I'm not sure if you could see it, but I had major issues with this stupid gun. I was thinking it was the body shoots, but it was not, because I had two cans and you know, I tried them. I even diluted it a bit, but didn't help. This guy, I'm not sure if you could see it, but just got gunked up real quick. And when I took it out, the nozzle is bigger, and then it worked perfect. So I'm lucky that helped. So let's go. Alright bros, this is the end of the video. I'm happy about the exhaust. It sounds really good. Hopefully it comes across on the video. I'm really happy about the rust. That stuff is amazing, so I highly recommend. Yeah guys, I'm really happy. I did the cargo area with that paint, just some plain white stuff, just to protect it, because I will be doing some carpet in there later. I'm going to do the whole interior. It's going to be really sweet. I have some really cool fabrics I found, so stay tuned for that. Yeah guys, it was my anniversary, 15th of August, 1 year anniversary of my YouTube channel here. So guys, I'm really happy so many of you watched, so thank you for that. It's amazing. It's my motivation to do this stuff. So yeah guys, you have to do the work to get what you want guys. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye.